Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening a browser and entering the router IP. This takes you straight to the admin console. Use the admin username and password. Defaults are on the router if you never changed them. If you can, plug in an Ethernet cable to avoid drops while changing settings. Once logged in, you'll see menus like Wireless, Wi-Fi, or SSID. Navigate there now so you can edit the network name safely and avoid interruptions. You'll edit the SSID field to set the new Wi-Fi name, pick something unique but recognizable. While here, confirm security mode is WPA2 or WPA3 and update the passphrase to a strong mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Make sure the channel and band settings are appropriate for your devices. Once changed, hit Save or Apply. The router may reboot, that's normal. After reboot, your network appears under the new name and device. Once the router applies changes, reconnect your phone, laptop, and smart devices using the new SSID and password you set. If a device won't connect, reboot the router and the device, then try again. Intermittent cache or IP conflicts often clear with a restart. If you're locked out of the admin console or made an error, perform a factory reset using the physical reset button, but remember you'll need to reconfigure all settings. Keep your new credentials stored securely to avoid repeat lockouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.